We were trying, like everybody else, to hire amazing talent from underrepresented groups that are Black and brown and women. We were doing all the right things. We were going to events, we were sponsoring trade shows, removing names and genders from our application process, and yet we were still not changing our own company. And I decided I needed to learn and get humble and figure out why this had happened. So I interviewed over 50 people from underrepresented groups and asked, why has this happened and what do I need to do to change? I learned 4 fundamental lessons. The first is that Black and brown communities of women, do not trust white tech companies. Lesson number 2 is that if you are struggling to get by, you need an online school that you can attend to get the skills you need that can be done while your kids are sleeping or while you're on lunch break. Number 3, you need to go into an environment that's inclusive. If you walk into a company and no one looks like you, no one understands your culture, you will not want to stay. And 4th, there has to be a path where you could go from 0 experience, potentially no college degree, to being successful as a software engineer. That path is apprenticeship. So we essentially built a solution for ourselves that had an amazing community partner, the Boys and Girls Club. We used our own school as the platform to give the hard and soft skills. And then we created an apprenticeship program with heavy equity, diversity, inclusion training on ourselves. And then we realized that we could actually plug that into other companies and truly make a long-term systemic change. And we are so excited about it.